Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. I don't know if you can hear, if this will pick up the sound or not, but we're getting freezing rain. Kind of hard to see it, but maybe you can hear it. You can see it a little bit on the collapsed garden over there. But anyway, we're gonna take the Tundra out. Maybe even use some four-wheel drive. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Okay, maybe you can see the rain on the windshield here. I'm not sure. A nasty day. It's, my driveway undoubtedly will be slippery because it always is. So here we go. We're heading out. Gonna see just how slippery it is out here. I don't know. Again, I don't know if you guys can see the sleet, freezing rain, whatever this is. It's bouncing off the hood. You can see that. We're heading down the driveway. Let's hit the brakes a little, see if we slide. Maybe just a little bit, I don't know, but that might be... Oh, there goes the salt truck. Might have slid just a little bit, I don't know, but they're putting down salt, and of course, I get to drive right behind them. So, let's just see how this goes. I don't know. I can't imagine there's tons on the road yet. Yet being the operative word. But, we're gonna find out. So we're gonna drive a little bit, might mount you guys to the windshield, or the windshield, so you can see what's up in front of us here. So let me go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back on. All right, we're out on the main road, or a main road, I guess, beside the river here, and I'll be quiet for a second. You can probably hear the ice tinging against the windshield. The road doesn't seem too bad to me. We're kind of behind a salt truck. He's gone way ahead of us now, but he just covered, actually right to that point we just passed, and it looks like he turned and went up the side road. So apparently he's going up and down the side roads off of this more main road here, I guess. So at least we can avoid the salt for a minute, I think. The road itself doesn't feel bad under the Tundra. It feels pretty good. I'm not slipping and sliding all over the place. Of course, I'm only driving about 40 miles an hour. This is a 55 mile an hour road. So far not too bad. I imagine the trip home will probably be a little more treacherous than the trip to where I'm going. So we'll catch back up with you then. Hopefully it won't be dark out and I can still get some footage. So we'll check that out on the way home. All right, I've been in the house for about maybe an hour and a half. This is what we have now. This is what the truck looks like now. Came out to get it warming up. So let's put the windshield wipers down. Put those up. Oh my God. Put those up so they wouldn't freeze to the windshield. Woo. It's cold out here. Let's get inside. God. Oh, that's good. It's much better in here. I turned the heated seats on when I came out to turn the truck on, so at least it's fairly warm, I guess, in here. All right, let's get the windshield wipers going so we can clear a little bit of that off. Okay, I'm gonna turn you guys around so you can see the trip home. I have about, I don't know, 10 miles or something to go. I think I might even turn the four-wheel drive on, so we're going to give that a try. And it's right, hopefully, here. So let me turn you guys around. You can watch the ride. All right, here we go. I'm going to switch over to four-wheel drive as soon as I figure out how to do that. There, gone to four-wheel drive, high. It's flashing at me. I hope that's good. going into drive. We're in four-wheel drive high. And I felt nothing out of the truck, so that's good. And here we go. Be a good ride home. Again, we are in four-wheel drive. I don't know if I really need to be, but the roads are good. I'm sure people are probably driving 90 miles an hour as usual, but let's see. Alright, well we're doing 22, and the car coming at me there looks like he's doing about the same. Like I say, this is my first attempt using four-wheel drive in this truck, so got snow blowing all over the place. Might help there. All right, so this is what having a four-wheel drive vehicle is supposed to be about, right? Driving in snow and ice and dirt and mud, whatever. See if we get to see anybody off the side of the road on the way home. I doubt it, but we'll see. Looks like we may have got maybe an inch or two of snow. It's kind of hard to tell because it's blowing so much. Should be able to make this hill, I think. I hope. If not, it's going to be a fun ride, let me tell you. I would think in a heavy four-wheel drive truck it wouldn't be a big issue, but hopefully there's no traffic coming because I'm kind of driving down the middle of a road. We're almost to the top of the hill here. Really like to stay in the middle if I can. Nobody comes along, and so far we just have to make this curve. We should be good. There, no problems making it up that hill. That was very, very simple. We have a big stick down in the middle of the road. That's nice. Hopefully nobody's coming, so I don't really want to run over it. Ah, there we go. All right, well, we're gonna continue on. It's looks about the same for the rest of the trip, I think. So we'll catch you when I get home. All right, we have made it home. It's a good thing. The alternative, not so much. You can see the truck. Got a little bit of snow on it. The light on for you. There's the front end covered in snow. Not covered, but a little bit. A little bit on the wheel wells. It'll be a wet mess in here, I'm sure, later on. Let you take a quick look outside here as to what I drove into, which is not too bad. If you remember when we left, it was just snowing. It didn't look like this, but this is what I have to look forward to tomorrow morning. Get to plow off the driveway. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the Tundra in some weather. Nothing too exciting, fortunately. The four-wheel drive worked perfectly, so I'm very happy with that. And we'll see how it is going forward in some deeper snow. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good night. Bye.